Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another Lightroom mobile tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to edit your photos like Khloe Kardashian, this look in particular, right? All you need for this is Lightroom mobile and your phone obviously. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, this is the photo that we're working with today. I'm going to leave it linked in the description below in case you guys want to follow along with what I'm doing, right? So without further ado, let's hop into this tutorial. So first of all, we're going to move to light. We're going to move to the light panel and we're just going to take the exposure up to 0.1. Then we're going to take the contrast up to 34. Okay, 34. Then we're going to move the highlights down to -28. So let's go down there. -28. Good. Then we're going to move the shadows up to 19. Oh. 28. Whatever. 19. Okay. Now we're going to move the whites down to 65. -65. Oh, what did I just do? Okay. We're going to move the whites down to -65. And we're going to move the blacks down to -30. -65. -30. Alright, now we're going to move to the curve panel and all you have to do is copy this curve. This is very simple. You're just going to take your shadows up slightly, you're going to bring your blacks down a little bit, then you're just going to move your whites just to the side, and once you're done copying this, you click done. Make sure you take your time and nail this curve because it's very important to the edit. So once you're done with that, we're going to move to the color panel. Now we're going to take the temperature up to 7. Okay, 7. Now we're going to move the saturation down to -16. Okay. Now we're going to move to the mix panel so we can work on the individual colors. So first we're going to hop onto red. We're going to move the hue of red to 14. Now we're going to move to orange. We're going to move the hue of orange to -5, and then we're going to move the luminance to -13, down to -13. So first let's focus on the hue. We're going to move the hue to -5, and then move the luminance to -13. Alright, come on, -13, -14, whatever. Okay. Now we're going to move on to the grading panel to focus on the midtones, highlights and shadows. So you're just going to move your shadows, the hue of your shadows to 213, and you're going to move the saturation to 29. This is controlling the curve is quite tedious, so I did it beforehand, so take your time with this. Then we're going to move to the midtones. After that, we're going to take the hue of the midtones to 253, then we're going to take the saturation to 10. Alright, and that's all we're doing. So once you're done with that, right, click done, and then we're going to move onto the effect panel, right? So for the clarity, we're going to take it down to -12. -12. -12. Come on. Okay, -12. Now we're going to move dehaze up to 15. Okay, now we're going to move the grain up to 29. Okay, now this is the part in the video where I say that editing is very subjective, right? So this is the foundation or the base for this look, but some people might prefer more grain, or they might prefer a brighter photo or a moodier photo, so it's subjective, but this is the base that you can follow, right, to get around the look. So let's look at the before and after. Before and after. Before and after. Alright guys, you come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like down below, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Daniel Are. That's Daniel with 3 L's and ARE. I'll leave it linked in the description below. Guys, don't forget to share this channel to support me and to grow it. And one more thing, if you guys have any video ideas for me, let me know. You can always DM me on Instagram, or if you would like to collaborate with me, DM me on Instagram. So I'll see you guys next week. Peace.